The unfortunate incident that happened at Gidambawa, that is the route between Isa and Sabumbrini on the 6th of this December. It was very unfortunate. It was an attack about the bandits. Some pocket of bandits came out from the bush and shot at a traveling vehicle. This traveling vehicle was a 18-seater bus that was going from Sabumbrini to Kaduna with passengers. Some pocket of bandits came up and out of this bush and shot at the tires of the moving vehicle, which resulted in the somersaulting of the vehicle. While this vehicle somersaulted, it caught fire. During this time, 6 of them came out with burnt injuries. 3 of them also came out without much injury, while 23 of these passengers got burnt. The 6 that were fairly burnt, or the 3 that were fairly burnt, were treated and discharged, while we have 6 in the hospital at present. Immediately this was heard, the information got to the security agencies. We moved down to that place immediately to rescue the victims and cordon the area to avoid more attacks. And that has been done. And since then, the constant patrol has been going on between that route up to Shinkafi, in order to checkmate the activities of these bandits. However, all strategies are on to make sure that this will not happen again. So contrary to the information that people are carrying that 40-something people died, 50 people died, no, that is not the truth. Those are the exact numbers of people that were unfortunately caught up from this attack.